Hi all. Today, as by seeing the screen itself, you would have known what I'm going to do. I'm just going to compare DeepSeek with ChatGPT. Today morning, ChatGPT have released a O3 mini model, which is a reasoning model. We could see a reason button over here. If you click, the O3 mini would be enabled. First time from others, OpenAI have copied their style. Like DeepSeek has DeepThink R1 as over here as a button. So as same as that, ChatGPT has also enabled the reason button over here. Okay, let's start with the question. The first question is 9.11 or 9.9, which is bigger? 9.9 is bigger. This is a pretty old question. All can answer, but let's start with this. Let's start asking without deep think itself. I think most probably this both should answer. 9.9 is actually bigger than 9.11 was ChatGPT said. 9.9 both said the answer right, and no deep think is enabled as of now for both. Let's try out the next question. Let's ask a question: how many e's are in
ceaselessnesses.
ceaselessnesses? Okay, without deep think, I'm asking both of them. So ChatGPT says it has 6 instances of e, but actually, if you want to see here, right, it has 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Maybe it is not right when it is not in deep thinking. Let's ask with deep thinking. But when it comes to, which generates fast, then ChatGPT 100% goes first because DeepSeek doesn't have that much computer as of now also, and their results are so accurate. Even I didn't give any deep think, but it gave answer in kind of deep thinking process. So the final answer is 5 without deep think itself. Let's ask with deep thinking in ChatGPT. It started with reasoning. So now it came with the 5 instance, the right answer. Let's ask another question without E. I feel like there are so many yes in this word ceaselessnesses. Let's check how many yes are in ceaselessnesses. I'm sending this. Now it has an history also of how to count words. Let's see, is it easily counting or not? So how many yes? Actually, how many yes? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There are 6. Now it gave a right answer. There are 6 instances. Now it is again counting from the start. When it comes to thinking process, it doesn't matter the history, I guess. It is keep on again and again generating the full prompt, I guess. The next question we are going to ask is like write a Python program for a spinning hexagon where there should be a bouncing ball inside that. Let's start with deep thinking itself and let's run the code and see how it performs. Let's start giving us an input. The chat GPT is, the speed of generation is so high. Maybe due to their infra or the models performance, I don't know, but the speed is so high. You see, oh, 3 minutes running. Let's try to execute this code. But when it comes to DeepSeek, it says the server is busy. Please try again. Oh my god. Let's try again. Now, if we keep a point-wise right, the first question it answered, both answered the same correct way. Then 1 1. Then if we want to find the E in the word, then initially the ChatGPT didn't get the right answer. So maybe we shouldn't give any point. For DeepSeek, it is 1. So totally 2 for DeepSeek, 1 for ChatGPT. Then rest again, it both gave the right answer. So 1 1 for, so 3 for DeepSeek and 1 for ChatGPT. But now we are going to only compare the performance of both the models. So let's leave this server is busy. As of now, the code didn't run. Still, there is no error also. I don't know why, what is happening inside. This is the output. The output is so empty. I mean, there is nothing to display. Oh my god. Oh my god. The ball goes out of the hexagon also. But nice. Nice. This is O3's thinking process and coming out as an output. Nice. Let's test the deep also. I think the server's busy. It's Indian time around 10 a.m. Oh, sorry. It's 11:30 a.m. I thought it must work. Okay, it's starting to generate, I guess. Let's see. Oh my god. It's so much deep thinking, I guess. It's XY, VXY. Oh my god. It's thinking on the angle, speed, direction, degree. It's thinking on every aspect, I feel. What do you think if this goes like this? Will it start replacing the developers by thinking this much? Let's see it on another new separate video itself. Will AI replace humans? Will be the title of that video. Let's see. When I tried long back, right? I mean, sometime back with this DeepThink R1, uh, it was able to think for a very long time, but didn't even start coding. Let's see this time how it goes. Oh my god, now coding this, it started coding while thinking itself so that it could update, I guess. But let's wait for the exact output coding and see how that performs. But I'm very much interested in seeing the output of DeepSeek because it thought for a very long time, very, very long time. Let's see how it gives us an output. Oh my god, final DeepSeek have completely generated. If we see the thinking part, right? Such a big thinking part. See here. Oh my god. I would have fast forwarded the video for this much long generation. Let's try out this and check is it working properly. We have already made the GPT box, right? Now let's put seek underscore box dot py and paste this and just click run. Oh my god. It is working so good, so fine. Exactly, it's working as expected. This is why DeepSeek now clear-cutly DeepSeek won this chat actually. We can easily see when we are comparing with ChatGPT, this is so way ahead, is what I feel. Oh my god, this is looking so nice actually. Uh, Clear-cutly, this is one. Let's try out some other prompts also. Now I'm trying to give a very huge number. I'm trying to multiply that huge number actually. Let's see what it does. Let me add some other operations also over here. Let's see how it performing. Let's copy and paste it over here also. Let's just send. Let's see what both of. Oh my god, this is nice actually. See, ChatGPT is exactly. What is this? It is responding in Chinese. DeepSeek. What happened to DeepSeek suddenly responding in Chinese? If we see here, ChatGPT gave a clear-cut answer over here and it won the game. I mean, I can't say won the game. Oh my god. Now we itself want to test it. Both gives a different answer, but ChatGPT runs it programmatically. Python program executes behind this, so this must be the right answer. Okay, basically both gave the same answer. Typically, very minute things has been there is a difference, very minute difference. If we move this right, the answer is 1.1293263 Okay, exactly. This Python programmatically ChatGPT won this chat exactly. Wow, it's so nice. Let's try out the same thing with the deep thinking. So now it started generating the answer. Let's see what is the exact final output. It is first multiplying the two large number. Okay, 1.219 is somewhat correct, and 10 into 10 to the power 124. Uh, I don't know exactly is this right or not, but 1.29 from the raw model output, this is insane. It is not exactly performing the calculation like Python script is running in the background, or it is computing using traditional computing. This output comes from the model. That is insane. 1.29 into 10 to the power 124. It approximately came so close. So anyways, ChatGPT gets the point over here. But when DeepSeek asks this function like write a Python script so that I will execute and give you, you could show that to the user. If that was the thing, then both would have been one. But from the model's output, DeepSeek is so amazing. Uh, but anyways, ChatGPT gets the point. Let's test with the next question. It's a very simple prompt. Again, I'm going to create a Python snake game. Let's see how it is performing. ChatGPT started generating the output. It's so fast, as I already said. Oh my god, the coding itself, mostly it is completed. Okay. Basically, the script what I have given is create an autonomous snake game where snakes compete with each other with hurdles in between. So let's retry this also. Meanwhile, we'll run the script also. Okay, I have tried lot of number of times, like 10, 15 times. Let's don't use deep think. Let's use without deep think. Let's send this prompt, and we will try to execute this actually. I think at least this should start here. That exits. Let's try to run again. But it started working initially like okay. If it crosses the boundaries, there were no rules certain. So there are now three snakes actually. Any one hits the wall, then it automatically exits. If you see here, right? Yeah. So this is working, but not what we expected. Let's see what DeepSeek have done. Okay, fine. It also generated. Oh my God, it's a very large space, and here's one snake, another snake is here, and these are the hurdles, and this is the point. Let's wait for this to. I don't know when it is going to complete. Each snake's in overlap on each other also. Let's retry this so that the points should come near. They are starting here, but the points are randomly placed. Okay. I don't even know, is this working properly, or is there any flaw in this? Okay. Here is also the the snake gone out of the game also, but still the game is running and we can't even see either side, or it is not even reaching here. So I think from this, both of them didn't get any point is my conclusion over here. Now we are going to try Dan prompt, do anything prompt, which is like jailbreaking these chat GPTs or DeepSeek. Uh, this is the prompt. Let us check. It must give us an output. Yeah, now ChatGPT or DeepSeek has successfully jailbroken. Let's pass this as an input. Let's wait and watch. Sorry, okay, both the things pass this. Let's add 1 point to both of them. This is easily this has been avoided. That's a good thing. The one thing, the Python game with DeepSeek, a snake game with DeepSeek, I'll upload it in my Twitter and as well as in community post. Please check out that. Else, this is a comparison video with DeepSeek and ChatGPT. If we see, uh, both are equally pointed now, but still, I feel when it comes to model wise, core model, if we see, DeepSeek is very good at that, and the output of that is very nice. If we can run this in open source and locally, right, that will be so good to. I mean, the performance of the model is also so good. That's it for today's video. Let's see you in another video. Thank you.